In this video, I'll walk you through Bitcoin, HyperLiquid, and Worldcoin analysis because I did last videos on our YouTube channel exactly regarding them, and many of them follow for our scenarios I mentioned to you. And at this moment, we really need to know where to take a trade. For a start, let's cover BTC. Remind to you, in BTC, I shared with you many plans that short is going down. In previous analysis, I warned you that drop continue because there was no major volume spike. If we go to BTC chart, there was no massive open interest absorption, no massive volume spike. That's a reason why we often continue movement, because there is no reason to stop for a price. You can see at this moment BTC took this range low, and still there is no major volume spike. Volume increased a little bit, but it's not what we need for a clear bottom. For a clear bottom, I would be happy to see at least 40-50 billion candles. That would be a clear signal that finally trend is over, and we need to look for potential reversal, something like this. At least several candles in a row. Best example for you of such reversal, it was when we had Ethereum. Example for you, it was like this one. You have average volume on Ethereum was it is 8-hour candle, 4 bill, 6 bill, but here, bam, you have 24 bill, which is in 5-6 times bigger than average. 10 times bigger than average, even better. For example, here you have from 2 bill to 5 bill, and here you have one candle that nearly 20 bill, and several candles also around 20 bill. And you can see it was exactly top. Price consolidate a little bit here, and after that a massive trend down. That's why here, the same here on BTC, we simply wait for massive volume. That massive volume would be a confirmation the trend is over, or there must be aggressive open interest wiped out. By the way, what you need to do at this moment, you have unique opportunity to get access to all of these indicators that I have, absolutely free. What you need to do, below this video, there would be link to our public Telegram. Open it and simply follow on Telegram, and after that, our automatic system will send you information how you can get access. Coming to next coin, it is a Worldcoin. Yesterday, honestly, I did last long on Worldcoin. Worldcoin hit my break. It was exactly this situation. As you can see, yesterday I took this long because I was aggressive spot buying. Aggressive volume appeared exactly here, and honestly I thought that during some moments there could be additionally really beautiful and aggressive buying. Regarding Worldcoin, also yesterday inside our community I shared exactly this plan. As you can see, on daily basis inside our community, I share trading plans. My last plan was to take long at 0.48. You can see it is exactly this one. At this moment, you can see that price retested this 48. Stop loss was below low, and at this moment, price gave us nearly 18% of rise, nearly 20% of rise. At this moment, if you are a member community, you took a trade, better to be risk-free and keep Worldcoin. Now, why at this moment I advise to my team and my community to take Worldcoin long? Because once more, while BTC down, while entire market is down, Worldcoin don't care. It means players who trade Worldcoin, they are stronger. And that's a reason why you need simply to follow that order flow. That's a reason. Take trade, close part, or move stop loss into break even, and enjoy a ride. Because if you open bigger time frame, you can see once more we have volume increase and we have open interest increase. That's a precondition for a good and healthy move. That's why, by the way, that's a reason why you need those indicators. Additionally, for all of you, my friends, you can become a member of our community. There's a way how you can do it even for free. What you need to do, below this video, in description, there, get 500 USD and trading access to our community. What you do, open this link. There would be special Telegram bot where you will get all the information. Plus, you can connect to my team. They will help you with all details regarding indicators and regarding community join. And the last coin that we need to discuss today, it is a HYPE. because remember here I wrote to you this video where I warned you that spot buying appeared and there might be a start of reversal. I must be honest with you that yesterday I tried to take one more long because often such reverse does not happen immediately when spot selling start, because often there are several ways up before actual reverse. But this time you can see that there was, let me show to you. Here on Hype you can see aggressive sellers started on spot. Here price did a little bit move up, and at this moment we have clear structure break. Honestly, that's a clear structure break because we finally have lower low. Price broke below what regarding last VWAP. Let me show to you. You can see price at this moment at this VWAP. If price breaks this VWAP, that's over. It would be last signal. The trend is over. What I recommend you to do at this moment, do not hurry up because still price above VWAP. If hype stay above VWAP for example like this for some bigger consolidation, still there is a chance that there could be several higher highs before actual reversal. Because once more I wanna remind to you example that was on Ethereum. Also that example was several months ago when significant spot buying selling, my apology, spot selling had started. It was exactly this moment when aggressive, it was also here when aggressive spot selling started, but price did additionally 40% move up, and after that consolidate for 2 months before, as you can see, this painful downward trend had started. You never know how actually this would be, because sometimes market makers create quite a lot of traps. That's a reason why you need to be careful in some cases when you are not certain. That's why from my point of view, what would be the best? We at this moment simply wait. If price flip below VWAP, consolidate below VWAP, that's really good signal to continue downtrend, and that would be a moment. What we will do, we will delete this VWAP and we simply will build a new VWAP, and we will use new VWAP as a resistance. That's why what you should do right now, once more, you push like, you subscribe to get such updates, go to public Telegram to get access to indicators, open Telegram bot to get access into community. And right now I advise you to watch video lesson regarding our strategies to understand how also you can predict such movements in the future and make money on the market. Have a nice day.